Hey guys, this is Chief Aviator 23. Today I'm going to be flying the Cessna Citation down to LAX, which is the Los Angeles airport. Don't worry, I'm not actually going to film the entire flight. I'm going to show the startup, the shutdown, the takeoff, and the landing, and that's about it. So, let's get into it. So right now the aircraft is turned off. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna shut the door by pressing that little green button right there. Then we are going to go ahead and turn on the ignition switches, master, avionics. Yes, I know. Fuel pump, de-ice, pitot heat, cowl. We're going to turn the panel on, the beacon light on, the nav light on, the strobe light on, taxi light on, and actually we're going to leave the landing light off. Now we're going to go ahead and start up the left engine. So right here you can see the fan RPMs are climbing. So we're going to wait till the ITT, or in turbine temperature, rises to the same, and then we're going to go ahead and stop that, and it will go to idle. Now we're going to start our right engine. You'll hear it start to go. Alright, there we go. The ITT has caught up, so we're going to let it go. We're going to turn on our APU generator and start our APU. Now we're going to turn our auto ignitions off, our AP generator off, and we're going to turn our inverters on. Alright. And we are ready to taxi. So we're just at some random airport somewhere on the way to LAX, because I tried to start this video before and it basically just cut off. So we're gonna go taxi down to the end of this runway here. Alright guys, we're here at the end of the runway. It took me a long time to get here, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in 25 degrees of flaps for takeoff. Reverse thrusters are off. We're gonna go ahead, actually 1 second, and I'm back. So we got 25 degrees flaps in, brakes are off, and we're going to go ahead and slowly input our throttle till we're at almost full percent. At 100 knots we're going to start to rotate, and landing gear are up. Cool. Now we're going to go ahead and put all the flaps up and put in full thrusters. And we're going to be flying at 20,000 feet. So see you guys when we're going to get into landing pattern for LAX.
Down to flight level 200, November 477 Alpha.
Hey guys, so we got about 29 minutes left in the flight, and this is basically what it looks like in the back of the plane. It's not horrible. There's a bra there. I don't know why that's there, but that's what it looks like in the back. So, see you guys in a little bit.
00. Down to flight level 200, November 477 Alpha.
Hey guys, so we've still got about 13 minutes left in the flight, so we're gonna start our descent fairly soon. Not horribly soon, but you know. So we'll be back. Okay, so we've started our descent into LAX, and we went from 20,000 feet to 5,000 feet. We're gonna go ahead and turn the seatbelt sign on, and
descend and maintain 2,000. November 477 Alpha. Fly heading 350. Vectors for the visual. Runway 24 right. Climb to maintain 5,000.
Heading 350. Vectors for the visual. Runway 24 right. Up to 5,000. November 477 Alpha.
November 477 Alpha. Climb to maintain 5,000.
Up to 5,000. November 477 Alpha.
November 477 Alpha. Fly heading 340. Vectors for the visual. Runway 24 right. Descend and maintain 2,000.
Heading 340. Vectors for the visual. Runway 24 right. Down to 2,000. November 477 Alpha.
November 477 Alpha. Fly heading 070.
Heading 070. November 477 Alpha.
November 477 Alpha. Fly heading 340.
Heading 340. November 477 Alpha.
November 477 Alpha. Fly heading 280.
Heading 280. November 477 Alpha.
250. Report the field in sight.
Heading 250.
November 477 Alpha. Cross runway 24 left.
Cross 24 left. November 477.